Welcome back to my Human True channel, guys, and I'm your favorite host, the mythical J Texium. Today we are doing another reaction video. Yes, one of my TikTok followers that goes by the name of Fox Cortez, he asked me to react to in music. So that's what we are doing today. Me know now once I say, oh, yeah, thanks, yo, we party vlog, then. Aren't I dropping skits for y'all? I try my best to drop skits for y'all every day, right? So give me a break. You think you take boy? If you juggle so much something, and then me have a live stream too. Rare, you can follow me on TikTok if you don't want to watch my live stream them. Before we get into the video, like, share, subscribe, and most definitely leave a comment. Let's get into it. That song name Nothing Know by Fox Cortez. So far, so far it got a vibe. And that rhythm, me have the rhythm I know, but you see, because I know really my type of rhythm, me like rhythm where it's smooth and you have guitar in there and it's where me can flow. The rhythm there to me, it through the whole part, me don't know if I ADHD me have a what. So far so good, Fox. Me not gonna lie you. This a go on with itself. And it sound like it was recorded in BandLab as well. Talk Hispanic. You see that there's when you repeat make talk Hispanic 3 times. It's so easy Mike Chan because he might repeat it. Good. Killer Dan, take a page out of Fox Cortez book. You notice he have a hook rhyme. See me a rhyme, I mean not go a DJ. Hook meaning chorus. You see? So the chorus they start in a first part, and after he spit the verse, he come back to the chorus again. That is structure.
Missionary and backshot, fuck out your whatnot. Pussy top, natural and tight. You must about a belly and take it for your right, girl. You have bumps panic cocky like a ball and stand up your body. The foot can't stop. See dump and cock, I wrist me like a cock. Grip tight like a handcuff or a padlock. Hard fuck a get till a pussy get a little music and trap. See dump and cock, me know you like that. Hey girl, you're full of too much attitude. Sit down on that. Cock up your body to me till you slap that up too. Sit down.
I won't fuck that boy, you know, easy, you know. Yeah, dog. Out of 10, I give this a 8.5. Because it's structured, you have a chorus, me can follow along with the storyline. You have a little flow switch here and there in there when me hear in it. So me kind of like that too. Yeah, man. And no jokes. Me like his song. You can listen to. Me not lie you. You can listen to. No jokes. So if y'all wanna go subscribe to Fox Cortez, his YouTube is Fox Cortez, FOXKORTEZ, as in zebra. Yeah, y'all can go and follow him. Just continue. And the same advice me I go give you as when me did Killer than in the previous video. You see, more you read, and more you increase your vocabulary. So just read a lot of things and do research. You see, when me I write a song, me draw for this. It treacherous. Me draw for treacherous. So it treacherous help you find words that are similar in meaning. For example, eject. You have different synonyms for eject. So you have expel, throw out, evict, remove, dismiss, kick out. So instead of I use eject, I just use one of them here. Just and say if it fit. But song is good. Me like it. Me like the song here. So if you like the song too, and if you like the reaction video here, leave a thumbs up, you know, leave a comment, most definitely subscribe. You see the work of you put in. I watch hours me a bill. And watch the ads. Remember to watch the ads when I have no ads yet. But watch the ads the same way. You see me I say? Yeah. I don't really think me have nothing else to say about that song, yeah? You know? Now if you know by Fox Cortez, I'm gonna go and go check it out. I don't know why I gonna be the next video, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big up on yourself, you see it? Boom!